Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make corn kernels. First, choose fresh corn on the cob, ideally in season, for the sweetest taste. You will need just a few basic items: a sturdy cutting board, a sharp chef's knife, and 2 bowls, one large and one smaller. Having these ready will make the process incredibly simple and quick, allowing you to enjoy delicious kernels in no time. Now let's get those kernels off the cob safely and efficiently. Place your smaller bowl upside down inside the larger bowl. This creates a stable platform. Stand an ear of corn upright on the base of the inverted bowl. Using a sharp knife, carefully slice downwards, starting from the top, to remove the rows of kernels. The kernels will fall directly into the larger bowl, keeping your workspace tidy. Rotate the cob and continue until all kernels are removed. Cooking these fresh kernels is incredibly fast and easy. Heat about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil in a skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, add your fresh corn kernels to the pan. Sauté them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender, crisp, and slightly golden. Remember, fresh corn cooks quickly, so avoid overcooking to maintain its sweet flavor and pleasant texture. Your delicious, fresh corn kernels are now ready to enjoy. They make a fantastic side dish, perfect with almost any meal. You can also incorporate them into a vibrant salad, a zesty salsa, or a hearty grain bowl for an extra burst of sweetness and texture. For an added touch, sprinkle with some fresh chopped herbs like cilantro or chives. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.